Craving soft, buttery Indian breads? Today we'll make three of the most loved ones: garlic Lachcha Paratha, fluffy kulcha, and classic naan. Perfect for pairing with your favorite curries or enjoying just with a dollop of butter. Let's get started. First up, garlic Lachcha Paratha. Take maida, salt and water on your work surface and knead well into a smooth, soft dough. Now let it rest for 20 minutes and then divide into two portions and roll each out into a thin sheet. Now spread with ghee, sprinkle cumin and red chili powder. Now form pleats, roll into a pinwheel and flatten. Next, top with chopped coriander and garlic and flip and roll again into a thick paratha. Now heat a pan, cook for 2 minutes on each side, brush with butter, and your flaky garlic Lachcha Paratha is ready to serve hot. Next, let's make soft and fluffy kulchas. In a bowl, mix refined flour, salt, sugar and active dry yeast. Now add water as required and knead into a soft dough. Now set it aside for 1 hour to rise. Then divide the dough into equal balls, roll them out into rounds and top with kalonji seeds. Now fry in hot oil until golden brown. Serve these warm kulchas with chole or your favorite curry. And finally, the king of Indian breads, naan. For this, sieve together maida, salt and baking soda. Now add butter and curd, crumble with your fingers and slowly add milk until the dough is soft. Now cover with a wet cloth. Now divide into equal balls, rolled into oval shapes and sprinkle kalonji seeds. Garnish with coriander leaves, then bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 7 to 8 minutes until puffed and golden. Brush with butter before serving. And there you have it, 3 delicious Indian breads you can easily make at home. Serve them hot with curries, dals or just a bit of butter and enjoy the taste of India on your plate. For more such easy recipes, like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.